what happens is it will take some more time for joining permanent permanent joining. It will take some time. Okay, those TTS will go there and they will perform the connection, especially optical cables. Okay, they will dig big holes and observe the cable where we have and where the cable was cut, and they can able to join those two cables by smoothing and by cleaning and doing different operations. Okay, so doing permanently is nothing but a splice. Okay, if in household purpose, for example, CPU to other peripherals and other peripheral to CPU or somewhere, you can use connector. Connector. That is the best example. Household purpose are we are using connectors, and outside the household purpose, outside the buildings, we are using splicing connectors. Splices offer lower attenuation and lower back reflection than connectors and are less expensive. If anybody asks the variations or differences between the connector and splice, all those points you have to tell. All those you have to tell. Okay, splice cost is less, connector cost is high, and splice loss is low. That is a reflection loss or back reflection loss is a less in splices, high in connectors. Like that, you can able to write. Then it is easy to remember. Okay, just like fiber materials, plastic and glass fibers, you write differences in the same manner. Splices and connectors, you can write some few points. You can able to understand the basic difference between the splice and connector. Okay, it is clear, all of you. If it is possible, I will send those video links, splicing techniques and connecting techniques. Maybe those are not exactly same related to the syllabus, but you can able to understand by seeing those installing process and connecting process. Okay, you also can able to see, no problem. Types types of splicing. There are two types of splicings: fusion splicing and mechanical splicing, or it may be also called as V-groove splicing. Basically, in mechanical, one of the type is V-groove. One of the type is V-groove. Maybe here is not mentioned all types, only is mentioned V-groove. That's why he's saying that mechanical splice, fusion and mechanical splicing. You can write all those types: fusion splicing, mechanical splice. In this mechanical, snug tube, V-groove, elastic tube, spring groove. Or types over. Then you'll go for the classifications. After completion of this classification, that is the end of third chapter. We have a dispersion concept in the second chapter. We will discuss that. Types over. Then first one, fusion splicing. Fusion splicing. By discussing some few points, after that you can able to draw this diagram. Then only you can able to understand. Otherwise, it was somewhat difficult. Time is less. You can draw now. First of all, better. You can draw this one, all of you. Draw this diagram, all of you. We are going to join two fibers with some flame or fire. That is electric arc or laser fusion welder. Laser welding. These are some two clips to attach the cable, like 2 clips. Over. Yeah. Tell me. Is it audible? My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 4 is option. Number 4 is option. $31 is here. 31 is option. $35, $36, $37. $42. Option is same. Announcing. 50 also option. Only 5 option. Only 11 option. Dilshad. Dilshad.
Sir. Sir.
Are you following? Any doubts?
Following, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me and try to start preparation, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So portion is completing, but I already told you completing the 3 chapters is not completion. Whenever you're prepared well, you can able to write some answers for questions, then only it is completed. So SAR is completing 2nd chapter, 3rd chapter, this topic, that is not completion. You prepare well, you can able to write something, you can able to remember some important content, then only it is completed. Especially my subject. Like that you have to prepare.
Sir.
Basically, I want to start after completion of after preparation of the 1st chapter. After preparation of the 2nd chapter, I want to start the 3rd chapter, like that. But due to this COVID, unfortunately, the classes are running in online. Because of that, you are in safe mode. Okay. So if anyone is telling or not telling, self only, ourself, you have to read. Okay, self study is essential for everybody. Your parents are forcing or not, your faculty is forcing or not, that is not essential, not necessary. You have to prepare well. Okay. So this fusion splicing or this diagram.
Yes, sir.